G'day guys, welcome to another BCM tough test. I'm here with my good mate Mattie Page. How are you, cuz?
Mate, how are you?
Very good, very good. Hey, it's always an exciting time for the client in a residential build when the wall frames go up, the rafters go on. It seems like there's a lot of progress happening really quickly, but not so much for the apprentice that's got to go through and hand nail all the timber connectors and triple grips and whatnot. So what have we got to look at today that's just going to speed that up massively?
Mate, we've got the Simpson Strong Tie CCN64, which is your collated nailer.
Beautiful, beautiful. So some of the key features on this guy is what? It looks like it's pretty compact and light.
Yeah, super compact, and it's only 2.1 kilos.
Perfect. And I guess the best thing is it's going to nail really fast and accurate.
Super fast.
Beautiful. All right, well look, why don't we stop gas bagging and we'll put it through its paces and get stuck in.
Okay, so awesome. The protruding nail gives you super good accuracy and you can get your nail in the right position very, very fast. It's also got the multi-blow action, which gives it a series of powerful blows rather than one explosive power. Okay, we're just going to show you how well this multi-blow action really works. We're just going to punch out a whole row of nails into the plate and go with the hammer straight afterwards. As you can see, it was pretty quick, 34 seconds for a full row. My hammering speed is definitely not up to that kind of level. Okay, so to give it a fair comparison, we're going to use the same nails. We're going to nail for 34 seconds and see how many nails we get in. Yeah, sorry, we should start the clock first, eh? Maybe not the best nailer, but 9.5 nails in 34 seconds compared to the 21 with the Simpson Strong Tie gun, and over a day that could save you a lot of time. But I guess the fair comparison is you can hold the triple grip or the grip and then nail it with the Simpson Strong Tie gun in one hit rather than holding the triple grip, holding the nail and getting the first one in. So over the day, yeah, you're really going to save a lot of hours and be really ahead of the game. Probably pay the gun off in the first week, probably. So yeah, no brainer there.
So Mattie, you absolutely nailed that one, mate. And on the nail size, can actually take in length either a 38mm or a 65mm nail.
Yeah, and even the 3.3, 3.8 and 4.1 in diameter.
Perfect, so there's some good options there in terms of nail size, which is cool. And Mattie, I've actually been hearing a few stories of guys up in Queensland that have just been using like a standard nail gun to shoot through the nail plates and the gun plates and the triple grips and stuff, which actually causes a weakness, and the assessors have been failing those. So something like this, you're going to have absolutely no dramas with anything like that.
Definitely, mate. That multi-blow definitely works very well, and it's very
perfect. So look, Mattie, all in all, this thing's a bit of a standout, really, hey?
Yeah, definitely, mate. Absolute time saver.
Perfect. Well, look, guys, thanks again for tuning in for a BCM tough test. We hope you guys enjoyed this one. We did. Stay safe on site, guys. Till next time, take care.